Welcome to Scripting Your Game in the Unity 5 Gameplay course by Pack Publishing. In this section, we're going to look at scripting basics and adding scripts to your game. Let's get started with scripting basics. In this video, we start with an overview of scripting in Unity. We'll look at what scripting is and what language options we have. We will also cover a very quick introduction to the C# programming language. Finally, we'll explore how to create and edit scripts in Unity. Scripting is the act of writing a set of program instructions using a scripting language. We create scripts to create gameplay and to make our game work the way we want it to. For example, what happens when a player throws a rock and hits a bird? Does the bird squawk? Does it fall to the ground? Or does it attack the player? These are things that are decided based on our scripts. So you can see that scripts are a very important component to our games. Unity gives us two primary options regarding what language we program in. We can use C# or JavaScript. Boo is also an option. We will use C# in our examples. When we create our scripts, we can use a basic text editor or an integrated development environment such as MonoDevelop or Visual Studio. We will use Visual Studio for our examples. While we do not have time to teach you how to program in C#, we should cover some basics. Here you can see a shell C# script called new behavior script. This is what a script looks like when you first create one. It is essentially a template. This template has two methods, start and update. The code you put in the start method will be executed the first time the object the script is attached to is initiated. Any code we put in the update method will be run every frame. Games are run at several frames per second, so be careful of what you put here. Let's launch the Unity editor so we can see how to create, edit, and delete scripts in Unity. In Project View, I'm going to right-click the Assets folder and then select Create Folder. I'm going to call this folder My Scripts. We can put all of our scripts in one location. Now selecting my scripts, I'll go to Assets, Create, and then C# script. You also see JavaScript as an option there. So I will click C# script, and it prompts us for a name. This says new behavior script, and that's fine. We'll hit Enter, and we can see in Inspector View the shell script that was created. Now to edit the script, we can double-click it in Project View or right-click it and select Open. And here you see Visual Studio is being opened. Visual Studio opens the script in a text editor. So we can add our scripts to the start method or the update method or create our own. I'm going to close Visual Studio. So now we know how to create and edit a script. We can also right-click and select Delete. This action cannot be undone. Click Delete again, and the script is gone. Next up, adding scripts to your game.